The thing that excites our company about apprenticeship is really working with somebody who's excited to have an opportunity, and us kind of participating with their energy and seeing how far they want to run with it. My name is Albert Rooks. I'm the CEO of Small Planet Supply. We're located in Tumwater, Washington, and we manufacture heat pump water heaters for large multifamily buildings. Our company decided to partner with AJAC because we're really looking for people who would like to come into a trade that enjoy working in shop environments and working with their hands and have a lot of respect for the work and seek really a long-term career path in creating products in manufacturing environments. You know, this really wouldn't have been possible without us learning about partnerships available with AJAC, Thurston County Economic Development Council, and the Lacey Makerspace and Michelle Pope. All of these people, just mixing with these people on a regular basis gives us really kind of new connections in the community, which are really valuable. I'm really hopeful that we can work with students coming out through this program, create a really good environment for them to work in, and that we'll learn a little more as a company also just how to work with people on a career path. And I'm really hopeful that we can create some really long-term relationships and great working environments that will cause people to enjoy working in our manufacturing environment and stay and prosper.
This year we have another amazing group of 7 students that are taking this huge lead. So congratulations to all of you for helping support these students and to support you on your pathway to success. So good job.